Mabuhay! Thank you for calling Sunshine Hotel. This is Alice speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a reservation for the second weekend of July. Do you have any vacancies?
Certainly, sir. Let me check and see what rooms available. May I have your full name, please? So I can address you properly.
This is George Mitch M. de Guzman.
Thank you for that information, Mr. de Guzman. Upon checking our system, we have several rooms available for you on that particular weekend. May I know what is the exact date of your arrival?
On the 10th.
How long will you be staying, sir?
Just a couple of nights.
For how many people is the reservation for?
There will be 2 of us.
Do you need a room with 1 bed or 2 bed?
1 queen-size bed, please.
Would you care for a room with balcony?
A balcony will suit my needs just fine. What's the rate of the room?
Alright, sir. We have available deluxe room with balcony, good for 2 packs. And this comes with complimentary breakfast for 2. It costs 7,500 pesos per night. Your room is $590 per night. Now, what name will the reservation be listed under?
George Mitch M. de Guzman.
Your last name is D-E-G-U-Z-M-A-N. Did I get it correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 012-456-999.
Great! Now, I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 987-246-0000.
And what is the name of the card holder?
George Mitch M. de Guzman.
Alright, Mr. de Guzman, your reservation has been made for the 10th of July for a room with a queen-size bed and the view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in July 10th. Mr. de Guzman, have a nice day. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of George de Guzman.
Can you please spell that for me, sir?
Sure. D-E-G-U-Z-M-A-N.
Yes, Mr. de Guzman. We've reserved a double room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. We already have your credit card information on file. If you'll just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Whoa, $590 a night?
Yes, sir. We are a 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. I'm here in a business anyway, so at least I'm staying on the company's dime. What's included in the cost anyway?
A full continental buffet every morning and a free shuttle service. And use of the hotel's safe are all included.
So what's included on the price?
Well, you will find a minibar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account. Also, the hotel provides room service at an additional charge, of course.
Okay. What room am I in?
Room 487, sir. Here is your key. And to get to your room, take the elevator on the right up to the 4th floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left-hand side. And the bellboy will bring your bags up shortly.
Great, thanks.
If you have any requests or questions, please dial 0 from your room. Also, there is internet available here in the lobby for 24 hours a day.
Okay, and what time is checkout?
At midday, sir.
Okay, thanks.
My pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful stay at the Sunshine Hotel.
Good morning, sir. I'm Carl, your butler for today. May I help you with your luggage? Yes, please. Sir, could you check if all your luggage are complete before we proceed to your room?
It's okay, it's complete.
Please wait to your room, sir. Before we arrive to your room, sir, can you allow me to explain our hotel facilities?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Breakfast will be available at the restaurant located at the lobby level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have a cafe and business center at lobby level. Our meeting rooms are located at the second floor, and the swimming pool, spa, and fitness center are on the fifth floor. Let us know if you need to make reservation for our hotel facilities.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, for your convenience, the hotel has provision for room service from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The room service menu is on top of the night table. You may also dine at some of our outlets like Golden Chain Restaurant, operating from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You may also avail of together with laundry rates. Should you wish to go for entertainment, our hotel has an entertainment called Golden Chain Club, operating from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Sir, here's your key card. Would you like me to explain how to use it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Sunshine Hotel. This is Carmela speaking. How can I assist you?
Good morning. I'm having a problem here inside my room and I want it to be fixed now.
No problem, sir. We're ready to serve you. Sir, before anything else, may I have your name and room number, please?
I'm George from room 487.
Okay, Mr. De Guzman, you said while ago that you're having a problem in your room. May I ask what is it?
The faucet in my bathroom is broken and because of this, I can't use my sink. It's very hassle and inconvenient.
I'm very sorry to hear that you're having this kind of situation, sir.
Please fix it immediately.
Yes, sir. We really apologize for inconvenience that has caused you. We will do our best to fix your concern.
That's good to hear.
I will call now the plumber so that your faucet will be fixed immediately.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir. Aside from the faucet, is there anything else that you have a concern?
Oh, everything was good aside from the faucet.
Okay, sir. We will fix the faucet right away, sir. Okay, sir. We will. Thank you for calling Mr. Guzman. If ever you need anything, please don't hesitate to call Sunshine Hotel. We will be happy to serve you. Have a nice day.
Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, very much. However, I now need to get to airport. I have a flight that leaves in about 2 hours, so what's the quickest way to get there?
We do have a free airport shuttle service.
That sounds great, but will it get me to the airport on time?
Yes, it should. The next shuttle leaves in 15 minutes and it takes approximately 25 minutes to get to the airport.
Fantastic. I'll just wait in the lunch area. Will you please let me know when it will be leaving?
Of course, sir. Before you go, would you able to settle the minibar bill?
Oh yes, certainly. How much will that be?
Let's see. The bill comes $37.50. How would you like to pay for that?
I'll pay with my Visa, thanks. But I'll need a receipt so I can charge it to my company.
Absolutely. Here we are, sir. If you like, you can leave your bags with the porters and he can load them to the shuttle for you.
That would be great, thank you.
Would you like to sign to the hotel book while you wait?
Sure, I had a really good stay here and I'll tell the other people to come here.
That's good to hear. Thank you again for staying at the Sunshine Hotel.
Where's the key?